All right, so today we are super excited because we found something we could do during the virus. We could do a drive-through safari. We're here at Wild Florida Safari, and it's supposed to be like Florida was hundreds of years ago, and now we're about to enter the past. Got held up by an ostrich. I think he owns the place. I think he kind of does. So today we got to go to Wild Florida. This was super fun. Definitely recommend checking it out if you're in the area ever. It's like normally 30 bucks to go. Today was a little cheaper because they have parts of it closed down because of the virus. You can't do, I think they have like a petting zoo.
There's a zoo you can walk through. You can also do like giraffe feedings and things like that, which are closed right now because of the coronavirus, but this was pretty cool. It
was still awesome to be able to do. It took us just under 40 minutes to drive through it. You drive real slow, you stop, take lots of photos and video and all that stuff. But it was super fun, and we got, yeah, today was like 15 bucks, so that was cool. Saved a couple bucks. And then also, I think it's on, it's just a dragonfly. It's okay. Wild Florida. But you found deals on Groupon, or?
No, I actually just Googled Wild Florida promo code, and I came across a couple different websites. This place is new, or at least the drive-through safari part of it is new, so I think that's probably why. There was promo codes, and then on top of it, we got half off for being, you know,
the virus
during
and all
the
that.
virus.
Yeah, but you can, even if it's the regular time of year and there's no virus, you can find some coupon codes if you do some just Google searching like she did.
It took me like 2 minutes.
Yeah, and you'll find a promo code. So, and we bought our tickets online, and then when you come up to the gate, they just scan it right off your phone or use like your last name. So definitely check it out. Super fun.
Yeah, this place is actually pretty big. They also do airboat tours, which of course are not open right now, but there's a couple other things going on that you can do. And they give you a little kids, well, scavenger hunt piece for when you go through it, but seems like it's for kids, but you know, whatever floats your boat.
Yeah, super fun though to see all the animals. I definitely recommend it, and we'll see you guys next time.